In this video, we'll show you how to set up your new VPR. When opening the box, you'll see that your bike has been neatly packed for shipping. In the box, you'll have your wheels, seat post, saddle, and small parts bag. In the bag, you'll have a Di2 tool, your aero bar pads, and a cue box. Begin removing any excess packing from the bike. Next, we'll install the seat post using the wedge and Di2 tool. When inserting the cable to your seat post, you will hear an audible click to ensure it is safely in. Next, slide the seat post down and place the wedge in also until you've reached your desired height. Then torque the wedge down to the recommended torque settings. Next, we'll install the rear derailleur. Remove any extra packing. When placing the derailleur, notice the notch that it will sit on. Once placed in, the notch tighten down using an Allen wrench. We will then attach the Di2 cable to the derailleur by using the Di2 tool. You will hear an audible click when it is fully attached. Next, remove the rear through axle. Then remove the hub and caps from the wheel and make sure to not remove the hubs. If you do, you can easily place them back in. When installing the rear wheel, grab the chain and line it up with the highest gear in your cassette. Then install your rear through axle and tighten down using an Allen wrench. Next, remove the brake caliper spacer and remove the front through axle before installing your front wheel. When installing the front wheel, line up the disc with the brake caliper. When it's in, install and tighten down your through axle. Next, we'll install the cue box storage. To do this, begin by removing the lid. Then slide the box down by lining up with the track. Then place the lid in. You should hear a click to ensure it stays on. Then install your aero bar pads to your desired riding position. To assemble the hydration system on your VPR, take a 3mm Allen wrench and remove the 2 screws. Take the adapter and place it with the slider oriented towards the bike. The adapter comes with 2 screws. Use these screws to attach the slider to the underside of the stem. Make sure they are tightened firmly to 2 to 3 Nm. Take the hydration system and slide it into place till it stops. The hydration system comes with a magnetic attachment for the straw. The grommet fits concave to the cross member. Take the zip tie, feed it through and tighten it. And then cut the excess zip tie. This will now allow your straw to sit in place. Before you get to riding, make sure to check all bolts and checking tire pressure. After that, you're all good to get out and ride. To learn more about the VPR and how to get fitted, check us out at QuintanaRooTry.com.